Hi, hello, namaskar. I am T.V.S.AKHIL. Today I am here with discussing upcoming topic called GST audit. GST audit means the audit of examination of records and documents or returns maintained or furnished by the registered person to the department to verify the correctness of taxes paid, input tax credit claim, and or any other refund claim. First of all, audit is divided under GST Act in two types. One is audit by the department. Second one is audit by a chartered accountant or a cost accountant in practice, which is covered under section 35 subsection 2, whose turnover is more than 2 crores. And next, audit by a department. Audit by a department is subdivided into two types. One under section 65 read with rule 101, which is specific audit or a general audit. Specific audit or a general audit is carried out by the department by a proper officer who has order with commissioner. Order by the commissioner. Next, special audit. The department will appoint a chartered accountant to verify the correctness of GST books of accounts, to verify and examine and give a statement or a report whether it is correct or not. And next, coming to many challenges which are being faced by many practitioners, clients, friends, etc. for filing GSTR Form 9, 9A and 9B and 9C. Today I am discussing about what is GSTR 9. GSTR 9 is a annual return for every registered person which has no connection with threshold limit of the any other perspective. First of all, you may ask questions. Many of my friends are asking and clients are asking, sir, I am not having 2 crores turnover, so I am not liable to file GSTR 9. I said no. The option is, there is no option. There is a liability for every registered person under the Act to file Form 9, GSTR 9, for annual return, declaration of all his compilation of all the accounts under GST Act. First of all, we will see what are the contents of Form 9. Form 9 will contain the first part 1 of Form 9 will contain the regular details of the trader or a registered person. Regular details means legal name, trade name, business, etc. etc. for period we are filing. Next, we are coming to the part outward supplies. Here is a very big area which we have to be concentrated. Many of the people are telling GST audit and GSTR Form 9 is just nothing but compilation of all the returns. Of course it is, yes, but lot of work is there behind that. I am very sorry to say that you are thinking that it is very easy and it's a plus and minus. But we should be very careful while filing GSTR 9 before we will see some challenges. Challenges in input tax credit. Generally, the reversal of the credit and ineligible or blocked credit under section 17 subsection 5 of CGST Act 2017, we have to separate it before filing. And next, we have to separate the input credit under 3 types. One is input service, and input from capital goods. Many of the entities and many of the partnership firms or many of the small entities which will not maintain a ledger of input credit which is separate for input and input service and capital goods. But in GSTR 9 is asking, you have to file and you have to submit a clear-cut view of how much input you avail from input and input service and capitalized goods. So you have to go back to your books of accounts and reopen it and finalize each and every invoice, calculate it perfectly. In GSTR 3B, you will not segregate into input from purchases, input from services and input from capital goods. We will just eligible ITC column, we will put all the information relied upon. The next coming to the part of other informations like HSN codes for inward supplies.